I'm Sean McCarron. I'm the Vice President of Sales at Smartronix. I'm responsible for sales and business development for all of our commercial clients and customers. Smartronix is a Premier level APN Consulting Partner. We've been APN partners with AWS for about 7 years now. We're a systems integrator that provides professional services, managed services, and implementation migration services to customers across the commercial segment as well as the Department of Defense and federal markets. Our firm chose to work with AWS because we had a number of customers that were looking to move workloads quickly, stand up things in an agile fashion, and so we wanted to give them an opportunity using cloud services from AWS to get those solutions built and running quickly. We've been able to deliver solutions to customers that in many cases took months, even possibly years, and we're able to turn those around in weeks, often, and sometimes days. Over time, using AWS services, we've been able to innovate across a number of offerings and customize and standardize both. The infrastructure gives us the ability to do both of those so that we can touch a larger swath of customers with more automated services while still being able to customize. Since becoming an AWS APN partner, we've seen fairly significant growth in our business. Cloud has obviously been a huge growth for us. As a company that's been around for 20 years, we've seen year over year at least doubling of growth from a Smartronix perspective. We continue to see additional growth in commercial markets, and we're starting to see significant growth from the public sector side of the business as well. AWS has allowed us to pursue new customer markets because of its wide reach and touch. We're now able to expand beyond just public sector business and work with customers across commercial markets, both geographically close to us and globally. So we're now working with multinational corporations with offices all over the world. Smartronix has taken advantage of a number of AWS funding programs, including the POC, proof of concept funding, as well as the acceleration funding for specific markets and territories. So we've had a number of customers that we've taken through the POC process, and one specific example is a customer that we had been working with for well over a year, evaluating cloud services in AWS specifically. Taking them through a small POC engagement, they identified multiple opportunities through that, and we were able to establish success criteria, and we moved 7 or 8 workloads of theirs over the next 3 or 4 months into AWS when it had previously taken just a year to do some of the evaluation. In co-marketing with AWS, it's given us an opportunity as a company to extend our brand beyond the space that we were originally known for. Smartronix was well known in the public sector, federal space, and as we've entered the commercial markets and worked with customers in that world, it's given us an opportunity to drive an immense amount of visibility into those markets that we didn't previously have. Being a premier AWS APN partner sets us apart. It puts us in an exclusive class that only a small number of APN partners are in, and it gives us an opportunity and a credibility when we sit in front of customers. Our relationship with the APN has evolved over time to include a number of different services and markets that we touch. So as the APN has introduced new things like competencies focused on Microsoft or Oracle, the Managed Services Audit Program, those sorts of things, it gives us as a partner an opportunity to differentiate ourselves from other companies that are delivering cloud services.